everybody, welcome to another episode of my unboxing video instead of another episode of Minecraft.
Should I pause it?
Yeah, we should pause. Good day everyone, welcome to my channel, but instead of another episode of Minecraft Let's Play, here's what we're going to do. We're going to do another unboxing of this nice naginata that came all the way from Kyoto, Japan. Alright? Straight thanks to from your boys at Tazando, and now let's get right into this. Alright. Here we go then. Just gonna cut that joint off. Cut that joint. And cut that one. And cut that one. Alright. And there's one more here. Alright, here we go. So, alright, I ordered this straight from Kyoto, Japan. Came here and took, I don't know, like 3 weeks before it came in. Took some time processing, but it's here with me now. Where do I open it? Where do I?
No.
No, really don't. Where do I open it?
Oh, it's stapled.
Oh, it's stapled. All right. So, let's see. I'm gonna just try to remove the tape here and see if that helps. So let's do that. Let's remove this here and cut this open. Right. And let's cut here on this side. Wet. And again on this side. Back. Alright. Okay, no, I don't think I can do it with this, but I'm gonna try anyway. Alright, so here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna make a nice cut. Just gonna try and get this open. Not gonna be very nice, alright. But then again, no one's ever very nice here in Australia land. In fact, the only reason I got this long thing anyway is so then, if whenever I go down to the billabong, I don't get ambushed by emus anymore. I can defend myself nice and easily. And now, let's get this open right here. And yeah. Oh, it's still tape right here. Let's get this tape off. It's more than I thought, but we're gonna keep going. Alright, let's pause this right here. So I realised I got to cut the tape all along here, so I'm gonna go do that. Yeah, boy. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's more satisfying than hearing nice kangaroo tail on the Barbie. You know what I mean? Let's cut some more of that. Oh no, it stops right there. Let's cut right here then. And right here. Yeah. And then right here. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yep. Let's get some more of that. And oh yeah, boy. Yeah. And keep going along. Okay, I know this might not be as satisfying as my previous unboxing video, but I'm trying, alright? It's really frustrating, so as soon as it's done, I'm gonna go hit up Macca's, get me some nuggets. I'm gonna have a nice. Oh, can I already open it? Oh, I already can. Here we go. And here we got our nice naginata right here. Yeah, there it is. Anything else in the box? Let's see. Feel like there's more weight at the top, but I'll check it a little later.
I think that's just the staples.
Huh?
I think that's just the staples.
Oh, okay. Now, let's see, got this nice pearl here. Got a whole bunch of tape. Got this bubble wrap all around it. So many bubbles. I'm gonna pop them all. Oh, and here's the bladed end right here. Okay, I'm not the most familiar with packaging, so is there really a proper way to deal with this, or do I just... Oh, there we go.
Unwrap it like a burrito.
Oh, okay, that makes a lot more sense. So, there's a whole bunch of tape. The clear kind, the one that I can't really see with a mask on. I'm going to start cutting here. And cut. And there's this brown tape. More of the brown stuff. More brown than the colour of my kangaroo wipes there. And, oh, looks like we got it. Let's slide this off. Oh, there we go. I wanted to open the other end first, but let's open this aside while you get a nice look at that blade right there. That nice white ink. Yeah, baby. Very nice. So, here we go. White oak naginata, straight from Kyoto, courtesy of Tazando. Now, please remember to like and subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I will see you next time. Oh, actually, before we go, shout out to my boy, Steven. Alright, goodbye.